TidyStock, the unit charge is the price you sell the item for. These are set up for every individual material item. In this module, learn how to set up separate pricing levels. When you set up your material items earlier, you would have determined the unit charge that would be the default selling price when you make sales. However, if you want to make a sale at a different price for particular customers, you will need to set up pricing levels. So navigate to the Price Levels tab of Materials and click New Pricing Level. Then you simply name the pricing level you want to add and save. Now, if we go back to the Material Items tab and click Custom Pricing on any material item, the new pricing level we've just created will appear. Seeing this pop-up Summer Special is here, along with the gold, silver and bronze discount pricing levels. Here you can add custom prices for each of the pricing levels. Now let's go into the Sales and Purchases tab to see the custom pricing we've just added in action. Select New Sale, then expand your options by clicking More Settings. Here you can select the desired pricing level and then continue with creating the sale as usual. You can also set pricing level defaults for customers. So if we go into the customer Omano Limited, under the Sales tab, we can set Summer Sale as their default price for all material items. To learn more about how to use custom pricing, see the modules on how to add quantity breaks and customer override pricing.